Perfect, 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 perfect.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy One Killer Cat back at it again with another video. Let's get it. Yo, thank y'all for tuning in to Redkeytv. This video is a little crazy because it's a video that I didn't want to have to shoot. But I be catching flat tires out of nowhere and I'm stranded. I got it actually pulled up to Ruby Tuesdays over here. I was on the way to my daughter's school. She got a concert. I was prepared to be that loud parent in the back because she's learning to play the violin and it's her first concert due to COVID. You know, they don't be letting us into the school too much. So this is the one time they was like, hey, parents can come to the school and y'all can come in. You got to have a mask on. So, yo, I had brought my daughter. I just heard somebody crank up. I had brought my little one and we was going to see the older one, the 9-year-old, play the violin, man. And I caught a flat tire like a mile and a half away from the school. And just because I had the little one, I couldn't just jog it in because I'm actually in like street attire. I would have took my little walk. I'd have left the car here and I would have tried to make it there in a timely manner. But I had the little one. It's a little cold out here, so I didn't want to take her in the stroller. But what's crazy is I had to ride on my rim for like a mile and a half to get us off the side of the road because I wasn't about to stop my car on the highway with my newborn in the car. That just wasn't gonna happen. Forget the rim, we're gonna ride it. Now the low profiles do pretty decent. That's it right there, flat on the ground, and it don't look too bad. My low profiles do pretty decent about like when they get flat. They're not run flats, but when they get flat, you can ride on it for a little bit. I slowed it down and just took it down the road, but I'll check and make sure I didn't dent my rim or mess it up or anything out of line when I get it off later on. But I had to call a tow truck, come pick your boy up. So what I'm thinking I'm about to do is I'm about to go into Ruby Tuesdays, order me some food since I'm about to be sitting out here and chill for a little bit until I can get my car back off the side of the road or out of this parking lot back at the house. What's crazy is I'm about to be riding around looking a little retarded because one of my car club members, they got a spare tire. My president, she got a spare tire for her RT. So we're gonna take the tire off, my rim off. We're gonna put that RT rim on. Should fit on the back because this is the Hellcats. The Brimbros in the front are huge, but in the back they're the 4 pistons. So I should be able to fit that RT wheel as a spare on there. My rim should sit in a little bit, but I should be able to drive this with a wheel in the back. So we'll put a RT wheel on it, drive it around, and get me some new tires in. What's crazy is I just seen that the tire was bad not too many days ago, so I ordered 2 back tires. I ordered them, and they were supposed to come in Friday. So my mindset was, you know, all I gotta do is make it a Friday. I seen the tire was wearing, not that it was like, oh, it's gonna be done, but I was like, okay, this thing is wearing down a little bit, so I'm gonna have to change these tires. Let me go ahead and order. I ordered 2 instead of 1 because only 1 tire is bad, but I was like, all right, I'm gonna replace the backs. We're about to make a road trip in my car in a little bit to Houston, Texas for Christmas. So shout out to anybody that's in Houston. I will be down there, and I'm bringing the Hellcat down to Texas. So I bought new tires for the back. I was gonna buy a new tire for the front driver because if y'all seen my video, F Discount Tire, where they messed my rim up, I had just replaced the tire on the front. So I was gonna put a new tire on the other front and 2 new tires on the back and have new tires and go to Texas. And so I got tires ordered. They'll be here Friday, but I'm gonna be riding around a little goofy looking until then. So I'm gonna just shoot a little bit of around the car so y'all can see, and then we'll shoot the tow truck driver when he gets here, hopefully, and we'll see how it goes from there. We just got to get this car to the crib. You know me, I don't leave my car outside for nothing at all, never. All right, let's get it. Yeah, I had to pull into Ruby Tuesdays, get me a whole meal, had to get me a full rack of ribs, something to drink. I even got a dessert, because this right here, oh, that's not what it is, y'all. That's not what it is. Ooh, she dirty. My car is super dirty. I need a cleaner. But yeah, we gonna get some work done. We gonna get these tires changed out, change them tires, and be good. I can't wait. Ooh, reflective. Yeah. We gonna get this done though. We gotta get this fixed. We gonna be looking a little crazy for a little bit. Yo guys, the tow truck just showed up, so we're about to get this thing loaded up on the truck here in just a second. Get me towed back to the crib, take this tire off at the house, put another tire on it. Like I said, I'm gonna be running around looking crazy. So we gonna get this done. Y'all can see there go the tow truck. Get your boy towed up. Yo, for legal reasons, I can't have the name of the tow truck in there in the video, so that's why I'm at this angle right here. But we're gonna get this towed up. Sitting over here at Ruby Tuesdays, get my car towed back to the crib. Dragging the back. It's the back. It's the back that we, it ain't the front, it's the back that's on the ground. Yeah, it's the whole back, my exhaust is what's dragging the ground back here. It's low enough in the rear that it's hitting the bottom. It was on both sides. Woohoo!
I'm driving on big because I'm not supposed to drive.
Hold up. Smooth enough. Yeah, that's why I stepped off to the side. Oh yeah, I've seen enough videos, and I've played with enough cars. I do all my own modifications, and I've thrown some stuff from underneath them wheels before. So as soon as you put the boards down, that's why I got off to the side. I was like, just in case he hit the gas and them to decide that they gonna boop, boop. Yeah, because the initial torque grabbing it with them.
Right. I gotta give a little bit of momentum.
All right, so here we go with the spare tire on there. This is crazy. Look what that looks like. That's crazy. That wheel gap is something serious. You see how my wheel comes up to that flare? Look at this. That is trash. But we got off the side of the road or away from that Ruby Tuesdays. Drove over today, but we about to go fix this right now. I got my tire in there and I got my other tires that came in, so we're about to go get this done. All right, y'all, it's the next day and I am at my sponsorship place, Tire Outlet. They get me right every single time. Got a newer guy working today. He's gonna try to get me taken care of, get my car in and out. They're just trying to make sure that they got somebody confident here not to scratch my rim. Because y'all remember the discount tire video? I'm not big on people scratching my rim. Let me see. I have brought it here before. They did the tire on the other side and they've checked it before, so I'm not really tripping. They've done it without scratching it before, so I'm pretty confident they can do it again. But he's saying he's gonna make sure, check sure that we got somebody that is super confident in doing my wheels and tires because, like I said, I paid for them wheels and tires and I paid for them to get powder coated. I'm not trying to see any scratches on them from simple as changing the tire. Just gotta take a little bit more time, be a little bit more careful. We can get the job done. But the car is out here. We're gonna get her back to good looking shape because I cannot ride around like that with the spare tire on there. Just, it won't happen. No, 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 no. She looks so bad. She looks so bad. We gonna get back right though. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, boom, boom, car is back to on my 22s. One day a little stressing, looking horrible. I'm not big on just, you know, riding around looking bad. So we got the car back, good to go. I did get some great information from the dude at the tire shop, so I'm gonna shoot a whole video on that when I get the parts in that I need. But while I'm wearing tires out so quick, Buddy explained it to me and some parts that I need. And I'm gonna change them myself. It's about $300 in labor if I take it to the shop and get it done, which I'm pretty for sure, me being sponsored there, it'll be even cheaper than that. But I do a lot of stuff myself and I'm looking at the job and I'm like, yo, I can definitely do that myself. So I'm gonna order these parts when I get back to the crib, and whenever I get them in, we're gonna change some stuff to stop wearing these tires out so fast. So if you got a Hellcat, you're on some wider tires, or you got a Scat Pack, you're on some wider tires, and you're wearing the inside out, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and stay tuned to my channel, man. Let's get it.